how to add date and time watermark to your pictures on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the camera icon to open up your camera app. Next, we tap on the control button, then tap on the settings icon. From here, go down and tap on watermark. Tap on the left hand side panel. At the top here, make sure you turn on the watermark toggle button. Then go down and make sure you select date and time if you want to include both date and time or simply just date or time. Okay, once it is added, you can select the date format and you can choose a time format. And then tap on the back key. Now take a picture. If you open up the pictures, you should be able to now view the date and time watermark. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.